Ever thought about owning a business that makes money even while you sleep? No inventory, no shipping, no physical office, just a website that sells itself. That's exactly what's happening right now with people selling smart, automated websites powered by artificial intelligence. And the crazy part? You don't need to be a tech genius to start. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can make real money selling artificial intelligence websites, from finding clients to building and flipping them for profit. Before we even mention how artificial intelligence comes into the picture, let's talk about what's really going on in the online business world right now. People are buying ready-made websites like never before. Small businesses want online tools that save time and make them look modern. Freelancers want portfolios that stand out, and entrepreneurs want to invest in online assets that bring passive income. That's where you come in by creating websites that work smarter, not harder. Instead of just selling a static business site, you'll be offering something that looks sleek, functions like a pro, and actually helps people make decisions automatically. So what makes these kinds of websites sell for such high prices? The answer is simple. They solve problems. Imagine you build a website for a restaurant that automatically takes bookings, creates social media captions, and responds to reviews. That saves the business owner hours every week. Or let's say you make an e-commerce site that helps users choose the best products through personalized suggestions. That kind of automation instantly increases sales. You see, you're not just building a digital brochure anymore, you're building a smart system that earns money. And when you sell that to the right buyer, the value skyrockets. Right now, there's a global rush for AI-powered tools. Everyone wants to integrate them into their business, from real estate agents and marketing firms to online stores and content creators. Every business wants to appear modern and efficient. If you can give them a website that includes smart chat systems, automated customer responses, or content generation, they'll gladly pay you more than what they would for a normal site. So your role is basically to connect technology with everyday needs and sell it as a done-for-you service. Here's how it usually works. You start by choosing a niche. It could be real estate, fitness, finance, travel, education, any industry that benefits from automation. Next, use website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Webflow to design a clean, fast-loading site. You don't need to code everything yourself. Most of these platforms now allow integrations with artificial intelligence tools easily. For example, if it's a fitness website, you could integrate a chatbot that gives personalized workout plans. If it's a real estate site, add an automated home valuation calculator or a smart lead generator. Once it's ready, you can sell it directly to small business owners, list it on marketplaces like Flippa, or even offer custom builds through social media and freelance platforms. Now let's talk money, because that's the fun part. A basic smart website can sell anywhere between $500 to $2,000, but a niche-specific site with integrated automation can easily go for $3,000 to $10,000 or more. Build once, sell many times. Create a few templates and customize them for different clients. For example, you could design one template for dental clinics with appointment booking and automated replies. You can sell that same model to 10 clinics by just changing the branding and domain. That means you're not trading time for money anymore. You're building digital assets that generate repeat income. Finding clients isn't as hard as it sounds. Start by reaching out to small businesses in your area or niche. Most business owners want automation, but don't know where to begin. When you show them a live demo of what your site can do, it's an instant conversation starter. LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups are goldmines for finding buyers. Join business groups, share samples, and talk about how your websites can save them time and money. You can even collaborate with digital marketing agencies that don't build sites, but want to offer these services to their clients. Over time, as your portfolio grows, word of mouth will bring clients your way automatically. Another great way to make money is by flipping building websites, getting a little traffic or functionality running, and then selling them as ready-made businesses. Platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, or even Facebook Marketplace allow you to list these sites with proof of traffic and potential revenue. The more features your site has, especially smart or automated ones, the higher the value. This isn't just a short-term trend. Artificial intelligence websites represent the next generation of the online business world. Think of them as digital employees. They don't sleep, they don't need breaks, and they make businesses more efficient. As more people start realizing how much time these websites can save, the demand will only increase. And if you position yourself early, you'll be one of the few who can build, sell, and profit from this digital gold rush.